just in the mood for some sweet sex. You ready for me, baby?
Macka Diamond is back, ladies and gentlemen. After how much years? I lie, just copy your share. You know, from Kofu to the release, she come with a hit song, and finally she's back. I have to say congratulations with the song. You love it, die. Just out of the song, but she in some mood for some sweet sex. You know, I don't know who wants sour sex. Nobody want overnight sex. No sort of eat up in the microwave sort of sex. Nobody don't want them sex there. So you know, so she said, okay, she wants some sweet sex. She asked if you're ready for me and all kind of things. Then she come, boy, she want to pop out her Brazilian ear and her room too tidy, so you must just mess it up. Macka Diamond. It's some severe honesty, you know, when you write this song, you know, like I am just convinced. For a black woman, not even just a black woman, you know, a black Caribbean woman gonna talk about, so you must go in a fear here and pull it up and mess up our room. As some serious honesty, you know, which never did I think. Like it's some decades and some centuries ago, Macka Diamond has not had a penis into that vagina. But so she gone both, so she up in a corner and all kind of things, boxes are fling off, and tear off lingerie, start the drama. This kind of just a paint a picture, says some Louis Bennett sort of sex. You know, the long time girl, me never see a sort of sex with the man. I probably see her about a couple months now, and say him frightened, him thirsty for the vagina. Oh yeah, I don't want this one, but him thirsty for the vagina. But yeah, it kind of go on right. So she said she reached a ball for mother. Like, I'm sure Macka Diamond, I know your mother don't want to come and answer to you in the middle of having sex. You balling out for your mother. Your mother don't want to say when you're taking on a penis. I don't know what kind of sex Macka Diamond was getting at this point, but it's like there's something they well set up underneath her, where she gone to the point, you know, say you have to reach a real deep level for you go bust a compound word sort of bad road. She said, oh God, I forgot me a Christian, but she said bombo, and then she put in the pun clad. That some serious sex. Like whoever was string up Macka Diamond vagina at that point was doing some A+ amazing sort of work. What that I mean? I don't know what I mean. So I took it upon myself now to go and research what dye means, and it says something in here. So dye is a coloring material and can be used to stain fabrics and skins. Me have certain juices. You know what I'm trying to say. I'm not trying to appear as a pervert here, but I'm thinking, was that the juice that her gentleman used to stain her vaginal walls? Hence why you have the dye. I'm just trying to to pre out and understand the logic. Coming to understand the dye I mean, but I'm just wondering if it is that. Macka Diamond can hit me on Twitter and tell me what it mean. And this line in the song just shot, but say me know you like 6:30 but now at 10 o'clock. Macka Diamond, stop lie. I cannot picture you for the life of God doing the 10 o'clock. You know, 10 o'clock, Macka Diamond stand up and have a power foot up there, so Macka Diamond have some nice, strong, sturdy, sexy leg. And I can't picture she all up all of this and all of them things there, unless you're a freak, Macka Diamond, and big you up because you're creative. You sound fun. And then she said, so she reclined the chair in your lap and all kind of things, big up yourself. She said a sweetheart, she attacking a gypsy. Clearly it's a sweet, yo. Clearly it is sweet in Macka Diamond, because it's some serious sex you under some pop-off clothes, some I don't know if you describe this at, and you come ball up about say kulu boy. Kulu boy, who says that? Can you imagine having sex with somebody and the person a ball out, the girl or whatever like that, come a ball up about kulu boy? Next thing she could start about pig and milli pie, like all them crap there. This is crazy, Macka Diamond. You need to get penis more often, because this is just some severe hungriness for some sex. And then you say this just line just shot. It's a wind up in your vagina like CD and mix you. Like when I heard this, me therefore wonder if I cartel left from prison and FedEx said the line here. Like me don't know reach your FedEx said the line. Like this just shot. Me never know say you could have really think up all of them things there. But Macka Diamond jump to the line here now and come talk about say lad about 50 times more come when him twist me. I am not going to buy this Macka Diamond. You did not come 50 times. Don't care who this person is that shoved their ding dong up in your pong pong. I am not going to believe that 50 times they come after one twist. One twist, Macka Diamond. you couldn't so thirsty and couldn't so hungry for so long that when you get little something says like you have up aisle kick up in your vagina all long. So as this man twists so it just come and the floodgates of heaven just pour down. So no macadam, I'm not buy it. So 1, 2, 3 cup time about 50 times macadam, man. Oh good gosh, man. And then you continue with the die though, all this something that's sweet, your boy really loud and all kind of things. Macadam, I have to big you up on the song here. You're finally back. This is a hit song. Macadam, man, when we see sometimes you're just sexy, your leg them just nice and sturdy, and your body just look clean. You know, you look like them woman, they will smell good, like you buy your Bath and Body Works. And them something that spray up all over yourself. You look at mints them and lotion up yourself and them things there, take care of yourself. You stay right. You look tight and all kind of things. So yeah, I hope that you're seeing this because I'd love to meet you, Macadam, man. I really want you to meet you before 2013 ends. So I'm going to hit you up on Twitter and hopefully you respond to it. Big up everybody who just watched this thing. This is DuttyBerry. Make sure that you like, you comment, and you share, and check out all the links them down there to get that to me on Twitter and Facebook, my fan page, and I'm soon to be on Instagram. So just take care and look out for all of that.